What if I told you there's a way to double your Facebook ad conversions without increasing your budget? In this video, I'll show you how to create custom audiences in Facebook ads, the secret weapon top marketers use to laser target their best customers. Did you know that Facebook custom audiences can boost your ad performance by retargeting warm leads and existing customers? Without them, you might be wasting ad spend on the wrong people or missing out on high-converting audiences. The good news? Setting them up is easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build custom audiences for retargeting, lookalike expansion, and more. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Stay with me until the end to learn important tips you must know to maximize your custom audiences. Now, let's get started. But first, let's get to know the basics. What is a custom audience in Facebook ads? A Facebook custom audience is a powerful targeting tool that lets you retarget people who have already interacted with your business, whether through your website, Facebook page, email list, or app. Instead of showing ads to cold audiences, you can focus on warm leads who are more likely to convert. Custom audiences are essential because, without Facebook custom audiences, you're essentially guessing who might be interested in your ads. But with them, you can retarget website visitors who didn't complete a purchase. Re-engage past customers with upsell or loyalty offers. Exclude existing buyers to avoid wasted ad spend. Boost conversions by showing ads only to high-intent users. Once you create a custom audience, you can take it further by creating a lookalike audience. Facebook analyzes your existing audience and finds new users with similar behaviors, interests, and demographics. This helps you scale your reach while keeping targeting highly relevant. Now that you understand how powerful Facebook custom audiences can be, let's get hands-on with the step-by-step setup. To begin, open Facebook Ads Manager. If you're not already there, go to business.facebook.com/ads manager, link in the description. Or simply Google Facebook Ads Manager and click the official Meta result. Make sure you're logged into the business account that manages your ad campaigns. Be sure to bookmark this page, you'll be coming back often. Once you're in Ads Manager, look for the 3-line menu icon in the top left. Navigate to Audiences under the Assets section. This is your command center for all things targeting, where we'll create Facebook Ads custom audiences. Let's click that button to build your first high-converting audience. Next, choose Custom Audience from the drop-down. Facebook offers several powerful options to build your audience, including 1. Website traffic, pixel-based, perfect for retargeting visitors based on their actions, for example, visitors who viewed a product, added to cart, or purchased. 2. Customer list, you can upload a CSV of customer emails, phone numbers, or user IDs to reconnect with past buyers. 3. App activity, retarget users who engage with your mobile app, for example installs, purchases, etc. 4. Engagement, reach people who interacted with your Facebook page, videos, lead forms, or Instagram profile. 5. Lookalike audiences, automatically find new users similar to your best customers. We'll cover this later. For this tutorial, we'll focus on website retargeting, one of the highest converting audience types. So select website traffic and click Next. On the next screen, select your Facebook pixel from the drop-down. If your pixel isn't set up yet, pause here. Without it, Facebook can't track visitors to build your audience. Check out our step-by-step guide on setting up your Facebook pixel, link in description. Once it's active, come back to this tutorial to continue building your high-converting custom audience. For those who already have their pixel ready, let's dive into customizing your website audience for better targeting. First, you'll choose which visitors to target. Facebook gives you powerful options here, including all website visitors for broad retargeting, specific actions like add to cart visitors for warmer leads, or purchase if you want to create lookalike audiences later. Next, set your time frame. This controls how recent their visit needs to be. 30 days works great for flash sales. 90 days is our sweet spot for most offers. 180 days if you sell high-consideration products. Always name your audience clearly. I'm calling this website visitors 90 days, so I'll remember exactly who's included. Click Create Audience, and we're set. But before you go, if you're in e-commerce, here's a $1 million tip. Create a separate audience of past purchasers to exclude them from this campaign. No sense in paying to advertise to customers who already bought. Now that we've got our foundation, let's talk about supercharging these audiences. Now let's tap into one of my favorite hidden gems, your Facebook page engagers. Did you know people who've already liked or commented on your posts are 8 times more likely to convert? Let's build an audience of these warm leads right now. Here's how. First, click Create Audience at the top of your Audiences dashboard. Then select Custom Audience from the drop-down menu. Instead of website traffic, we're going to choose Facebook page here. This unlocks powerful engagement targeting options you can't get elsewhere. You can get super specific here. Target people who visited your page, those who engaged with posts with likes, comments, or shares, or users who clicked your call to action button. My pro recommendation? Start with 30-day engagers. They're fresh and most responsive. Always name it clearly like FB page engagers, 30 days, so you'll remember exactly who's included. Later, you can combine this with your website audience to create hyper-targeted lookalikes, but we'll cover that in an upcoming tutorial. Quick question, are you using page engagement audiences already? Drop yes or no in the comments below. I read everyone. Now, if you have an existing customer list, like email subscribers or past buyers, you can upload it directly to Facebook. Here's how. First, prepare your file by saving the contacts as a CSV or text file. Include at least one identifier, like email, phone, or Facebook user ID. Remove duplicates to avoid wasted ad spend. Then in Ads Manager, select Customer List as your source. Then upload your file and map fields correctly, for example, the email column mapped to Facebook's email field, etc. Facebook will hash and match these contacts, usually within an hour. However, only upload people who opted into marketing will be added to your list. This works great for retargeting past buyers with upsells and excluding existing customers from prospecting ads. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Facebook ad tips. Now, let's unlock the secret weapon top advertisers use to scale their campaigns, lookalike audiences. Once you've created these high-performing custom audiences, you can supercharge your reach with lookalike audiences, Facebook's AI-powered tool that finds new customers who act just like your best existing ones. Think of it as cloning your ideal buyers that targets users with identical behaviors and interests. Expand your reach without losing targeting precision, typically delivers 3 to 5 times better results than cold audiences. We'll dive deep into the setup in a dedicated tutorial, but remember this, your custom audiences are the foundation. The better they perform, the smarter your lookalikes will be. Which brings us to why top advertisers swear by them. These audiences typically outperform cold traffic by 3 to 5 times, that's why top advertisers swear by them. Question for you, which source audience will you try first? Past buyers or page engagers? Let me know in the comments. And just like that, you've unlocked Facebook's most powerful targeting tools. Facebook will populate your audience within hours. Larger lists may take 24 to 48 hours. Be sure to use them immediately in your ad sets under custom audiences. You can layer these with lookalikes for a 1 to 2 punch, retarget warm audiences while expanding to similar users. Here are 3 tips you must know to maximize your custom audiences. 1. Keep them fresh. Update website audiences every 30 to 90 days. Stale lists hurt relevance. For customer lists, re-upload monthly to capture new buyers. 2. Segment by engagement level. Create separate audiences for viewed products but didn't buy with a 7-day window. Added to cart with a 14-day window. Past buyers, exclude these from prospecting. 3. Always monitor frequency. If frequency exceeds 3 to 5, refresh creatives or narrow audiences. Follow these rules, and your custom audiences will stay laser-targeted. If you want me to break down exactly how to turn these audiences into profitable campaigns, then watch this video next. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.